Okay. Make sure I don't kick my own camera and die. Okay, now, next one that I'm going to teach you is actually something called prism. I want everyone to look at the wall. Prism. It's pronounced as prism, not prison. We don't want to go to jail, understand? So it's prism. Okay, now what is a prism? Now everybody look at this. Now, can you see this one looks something like a Toblerone chocolate? Yes? This is a prism. Why? Now, why is it called a prism? I'll explain to you why it's called a prism. I'm not looking at that, I'm looking at my camera. Unless my camera enough. Now, why is this called a prism? I want everybody to look at the box. Okay? Now, do you agree that if I slice, I use a knife, I slice like that, this part will always fall off. And it's always the same size and shape. This is actually called the cross-section. It can also be called the base area. Now, I need to caution you. Base area need not be at the base. Base area refers to the cross-section. Okay? Now, this is the cross-section. This will be the height of the prism. Height is always between the two cross-sections that is the same. Now, I can also draw this prism like this. Can you see? How do I slice now? This way, a triangle will fall off. So, this will be my cross-section. This will be my height. Okay? So, how does it qualify to be a prism? The cross-section must be uniform. That means every time you slice, the same shape must follow, the same size. Okay? Now, I will give you a non-prism. This is actually a pyramid. It will never be a prism. Some people say, yes, it's a prism. I slice this way, I always get a rectangle below, right? But can you see that rectangle gets smaller and smaller? If I slice this way, I cannot even worse. You get what I'm talking about? So, for it to be a prism, it has got to have uniform cross-section. On the base area, the drop off must be the same. Are we clear? So, is there only one type of prism? Of course not. Is a cuboid a prism? Yes, you can chop anywhere and see the cuboid is quite safe. The cube is also a prism. Okay? Can? Alright, now. Next. Okay? Can you look at page 180? Okay? I'm going to go through some definitions here. This one is in the middle of the page. Okay? Now, let's take a look at the section here. Okay? A prism has a uniform polygonal cross-section. That means the base actually has got to be a polygon. A square, a triangle, a pentagon also can. Okay, for example, I can have like this. Then this is also a prism, just like a lot of rubbish around. Understand? Can or cannot? So this will be my cross section. This will be my height. Everybody clear? Okay, now I'm carrying on. Now, can you see below? They gave you a lot of shapes, right? You can go and look through it. Okay? But I want to bring you to the attention of what is a right prism at the top of the next page. Can you look at what is a right prism? I'm going to go through that now. I nearly spoiled the visualizer. Okay, now let's take a look at this. For the triangle prism in figure 13.5a, what do you notice that all the lateral face are perpendicular to the base? Such prisms are called right prisms. Non-right prisms are oblique prisms. Actually, oblique is slanting. Okay? The perpendicular prism in figure 13.5c is an example of an oblique prism. Okay? Can you identify another right prism, another oblique prism from figure 13.5? Now, I must tell you that in this section, or in this book, we will only study right prism. That means all the things is vertical. Okay? Therefore, the term prism will refer to right prism. I don't have to say right prism. Okay? Now, what are they talking about? Let us take a look. Can you see that this one is a right prism? Can you see it? Okay? Base area, can you see? Lateral face means all the side. Area of the side. Okay? Okay? Now, they say this one is an oblique prism. Can you see it's slanting? Can you see it? Now, which one is another right prism? The cube right. Is this cube right a right prism? Yes. How about this one? Oblique prism. Am I right to say that? Yes or no? Yes, huh? Okay, good. Now, then I want to ask this question. Look at the board. I'm going to sketch something for you. Is this a prism? Is this a prism?
No. Yeah.
Okay, if yes, how do I slice it? Down and then the L will fall off. Understand? Of course, the number is sliced like that. But that is nonsense, right? So, this will be my base area. This will be my height. Are we clear here? Are we clear here? Yes or no? So, prism of many kind. Okay, next one. Will this be a prism? Yes. This is my base area. Then I slice, the thing will fall off. Can you see what I'm talking about? So you can take many forms. Everybody clear? But what we have is their right prisms. That means all the faces are vertical. Okay? Alright. It is called natural faces. Alright? Okay, now, next. I want to look at page 182, the formula there on top. Okay, the formula there on top. Volume of prism is area of cross-section times distance between cross-sectional bases. I'm not going to go so long. I will just say base area times height. You must know that base area is the cross-sectional area and height is the one in between them. Okay, I'm not so interested in this because it's very easy. Okay, now, let's say I have this prism. How do I find the volume? I must find this area, right? Then I times the height, right? But can you see that I can find this area, but it's quite difficult. I got to divide into two, two rectangles that I find. So I always tell students, write base area what first, then height what, then you times together. Okay, now it's not the volume that I'm worried about, it's the total surface area that I'm worried about. Okay, now, if you look at this one, total surface area means the area of all the faces, right? You're going to dice. Can you see? I got this L, then I times 2, then I got all the other faces to add up, right? Okay, it's very troublesome. Okay? Now, I want you all to look at page 183 in the middle. This particular formula, you look at the second line, is perimeter of base times height plus 2 times base area. Now, what do we mean by that? I'm going to explain to you. Okay, I'm going to hold something first. Alright, I will explain to you. Now, I want everyone to look up here. Do you agree this is a triangular prism? I do it this way. Everybody see? Now, I will find this base area at times 2, right? Correct. Now, do you agree that if I add this side, and this side is the perimeter of the base? I open up, it becomes a rectangle, right? Then rectangle is what? Length times what? Breadth. So actually all the lateral face, these are called the lateral face. Can you see I can just use perimeter times height. I'm going to work so hard, face by face by face.
Oh my.
Can you see what I'm talking about here? Yes or no? So you literally take out all the lateral faces. Now for this L shape also same thing. I'll just find the L shape, I times 2, right? Front back. Then I find this perimeter, I times height, I can get all the faces already. Because it will open up to be a rectangle. Are you all clear with what I'm saying here? Yes or no? I repeat, I just use a triangular prism. All of you know, this triangular prism, right? Do you agree this is the base? I find the area of base, I times 2, right? Now, I want to find the other faces. Actually, what you need to do is this. Hello? You're going to find this face plus this face plus this face, right? That is very difficult. So if I take the perimeter, you will give me the whole length here, right? If I open up, isn't it the same? So it will be the this times this, no? So perimeter of base times height. Everybody clear now? Then I want to ask this question. What is this prism? It's like a Pokemon like that. Got bottom, don't have top, then how? Then only one base area. Must be careful. Understand? Now, since I'm at this juncture, right, I will demonstrate to you the cylinder also. Okay? Now, a cylinder is actually round one. You know the toilet bowl? Cylinder like this. Okay? Cylinder is a special prism. It's not a prism because it's going to be polygon, but this is circular. But do you agree that if I slice, the circle will fall off? So it's also base area times height, the volume. But the area of the circle is what? Pi r squared. That's why it's pi r squared times height. Now I want you to look up, all of you look up. How to find the total surface area of a cylinder? It must be pi r squared times 2, right? Now, do you agree this one gives me circumference? Circumference is either 2 pi r or what? Pi d. Now, if I take the circumference, I open up, right? It becomes the curved surface, right? Of the cylinder. So no need to work so hard. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Now, what if my cylinder got no cover, only got base? They want base area. If I tell you it's a pipe, hollow one, then only got 2 pi rh, the surface area. Because if you cannot have pi r, you cover how the water flow. Correct? Surface area will only be this, right? Agree what I'm talking about? When I reach cylinder, I'll remind you again. I just want to know, are you okay with this perimeter of base times height plus 2 base area? Can no problem. Even if it's a pentagon, whatever you have, whatever you have, you just take perimeter, you open up, it will be the length of the rectangle. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? Yes or no? Okay, Alright, good. So that is for this part here. Now I'm going on to the examples first. Volume of a prism. This one. Can we take a look at this prism? A lot of you will not recognize that it's a prism. Now, may I know what is this shape? Parallelogram, right? The other side also parallelogram, right? This one is the height, right? Can you see that when I chop this way, the parallelogram will fall off? And it's the same parallelogram. So I got to take this base area times this height, right? What is the area of the parallelogram? Base times height, correct? 2 times what? 1. That's why base area is 2 times 1. Can you see? Then how do I find the volume? I take this answer times what? 6. Okay, so let us take a look at the solution there. Okay, I will have base area times height. Can you see? I will get a 12 meter cube. Is everyone okay? Alright, good. Now, can we look at practice now at this particular section? Then all of you take out a pencil. I'm going to do this and you're going to copy down into your textbook itself. Okay? Now, find the volume of the prism. Now, I always like to shape the base area. This is the base area. what? Height. So what will this be? 16 times what? 10. So I'll get a 160 meters cubed. Are we clear here? Are we clear here? Can or cannot? So I repeat, volume of prism is base area times height. Everybody got it? Everybody got it? Okay, now I'm going to do question 2. This is a more difficult prism, and students will make mistakes if they want to round everything up. Now, I'm going to use a different color. I want everyone to be looking at the board. All of you look up. Can you see that I will always shape this? This will be my base area, right? What is the height? Can you tell me? 12. Very good. Now, can you see that this one is the reverse order? Can you see this is a reverse order? But if it's a reverse order, don't panic. Understand? Don't panic. Okay. First of all, what is this shape? What is this shape? Triangle. Base area will be half times x times 5.6, right? Agree, class? Okay? Now, can you keep your calculator? How many x? How many? Half times 5.6. 2 point. Agree lah? This is the base area. Okay? So, the question says, the volume of the prism is 151.2 cm cubed. Find the value of x. So, volume of prism is base area times height. Agree? Correct? Okay. Now, do you agree this is my base area? Do you agree this is my base area? So, I will have 2.8x. What's the height? 12. This must give me 151.2, right? Agree or not? You cannot write right, then you forget what you want. What's the objective? Find out. Find x. So x stays here. 151.2 divided by 2.8 divided by 12. So what is your x? So what is your x? I need an answer. Okay? 4.5. Are we clear? Are we clear? Okay, now of course an easier question will be they give you this dimension and they just ask you to find the volume. Correct? But don't forget, this is a triangle, it's half base times height. That's why I always separate out so that you don't make mistake. Is that understood? Yes or no? Yes, huh? Okay, good. So I've already finished off the volume of prism. Now I'm going to do this example, example 6, okay? And I'm going to show you on the board how do I present it, okay? Alright. Next, I'm going to write another formula down here, okay? Total surface of prism will be equals to perimeter of base times height plus what? 2 times what? Base area. first. Base area is a triangle. If this is 16, this will be 16, right? So half times what? 12 times 16. So in the calculator, how much is this? 96. So volume of freezer will be 96 times 9, right? Correct. Base area times height. So what should it be? 864. Good. 864 cm3. Are we clear here? Are we clear here? So I repeat, what's the volume of freezer? Base area times height. Okay, now next we go on to this one. That is the total surface area. Okay? Now I always like to write numbers. That's why I always write base area alone, so that I can use it in the next part. So I will write down. Base area is 96, right? Correct? Yes or no? Okay. First of all, I want to find out the parameter of base first. How do I get the parameter of base? This one, right? What is it? 20 plus 12 plus 16, right? So how much is this? 48. So perimeter is 48. Agree now? So I will have total surface area equals to 48 times 9 plus what? 2 times what? 96. Okay. You'll be able to get the answer. What's the answer? 624 cm squared. Now a lot of you will tell me, Joe, what if in the exam I forget the formula? It's fine one, okay? Now, do you agree that I will have this base area? Oh. Now, what's the area of this rectangle here? 9 times 16, right? What's the area of the bottom rectangle? 12 times what? 9. Alright, what's the area of that slanting rectangle? 20 times what? 9. Correct. It's actually here. Then you times 9. You just shortcut it. Actually, we are totaling up all the faces. Is that understood? Can you see my logic here? Okay, so for simple ones, you can do like that. But for the L shape, you see it's very difficult. You may miss out one shape, or one side, or one natural face. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? So I repeat, for volume of prism is base area times height. For total surface of prism, it is perimeter of base times height plus 2 times base area. But this one got to be careful. Sometimes it's only one time, depending on how they describe the prism. Okay, and how to qualify as a prism? The cross section must be uniform. Understand? And the height is the length between the two cross sections. Okay? If I don't want to call it cross section, what do I call it? Base area. It's the same thing. Then must the base area be at the base? Must it be at the bottom? No need. That's just a cross section. You must identify which one. Are we all very clear with what I'm saying? Okay, very good. Alright. Next can we look at practice now 6? This particular prism. This one is not that easy. This one is not very easy. Now, I want all of you to do this for me in the textbook now. I will go